still remember our first interaction sa gym, asking about yung schedule ng yoga. Now, it's pretty crazy na kausap na ulit kita in front of everyone and I'm marrying you.
From the moment I met you, I know there was something special about you. The way you smile, the way you care for me, and every hug you give reminds me that I'm not alone. Love is the purest I have ever known. I never want to wake up feeling anything but this.
You already know how much I love you and how happy we are with each other. And I think that shows. So I can't promise to be the perfect husband, father, or kung ano man. Kasi there's no such thing as perfect. Pero I promise to be the best that I can be.
A great big bang and dinosaurs, fiery rain and meteors. It all ends unfortunately. You're gonna live forever.
Napakahalaga na mayroong pag-ibig ang bawat isa. Kasi sa pamamagitan ng pag-ibig, ito yung tatakip sa lahat ng mga pagkukulang, kamalian ng bawat isa.
And eto na, she found the one that she chose to spend her lifetime with. I know and I can see that Lauren will take care and love Trisha. And we are happy na si Lauren yung napili mo kasi kita namin how he takes care of you. Today, seeing you so radiant and happy, I am overwhelmed with pride and love. Your love for each other is evident in the way you support and cherish one another. It's a love that is truly special and inspiring.
You're gonna live forever in me.
I vow to stand by you in every season, whether celebrating life's wins or navigating its challenges. I will be your strength when you feel weak, your laugh when you need joy, and your peace when things get tough.
Kuya Lauren, daig mo pa si Daniel Padilla. Kasi nasa iyo ng lahat. Ikaw na ang matalino, mabait, galante, pogi, macho, pati ba naman maalaga at magandang asawa nasa iyo na. Uwian namin nanalo na. When you introduced me to Patty, I easily understood how you and Patty would jive together. May katapat na si Lauren. To Patty, I hope that you enjoy growing old with Lauren as much as we enjoyed growing up with him. Congratulations, Kuya and Patty. So everyone, let us toast to the beginning of forever. Cheers!
Tandaan po natin, hindi mahalaga ang relihiyon. Kung meron tayong tamang relasyon sa Diyos, tama ang magiging relasyon natin sa ating asawa at sa lahat na nakapaligid sa atin. Kung tayo ay nananatili, sumusunod tayo sa Diyos, anuman ang dumating sa ating buhay, ito ay ating mapapagtagumpayan.
Good luck anak sa special event na ito, sa special wedding day mo. Alam ko ikaw ay excited din. Laro na ito and let's do it.
Patricia, congratulations dito sa araw na to. Talagang tayo lahat ay sobrang happy para sa iyo.
I have found my present, my future in your eyes. I'll be your partner sa lahat ng bagay. And yes, I'll join you sa World of Fun or Time Zone para mag-play ng Tekken. Even play with you kahit alam kong magpapatalo ka.
Bagong buhay na yan. Alam ko kayang-kaya mo na. Nakita mo na kung paano namin kayo pinalaki. Gawin mo lang yan. Duplicate. Congratulations.
Bibi, this gift is meant to celebrate the amazing journey we're about to start together. I hope it brings a smile to your face and reminds you of how much you mean to me. With all my love, Bibi.
Here's a little something for you. I love you so much. Excited to see you. Much love, Bibi Lauren. May pag-give pa eh.
Super unexpected actually. Really good choice. Ayan. Love you, Bibi.
I have a strong role model of how I want our family to be like, given how close our family is with each other. And I know, ganun din kayo sa inyo. I'll make sure to do the best that I can for you as a husband and for our family as a father. You're the best partner for me to fill in those roles. I love you so much, Ruby. Thank you for always being the best. Forever.
You are my safe haven, my comfort zone, and my calm in the chaos. Kahit gaano kahirap ng araw ko, basta nandyan ka, everything feels right. You're the only one that I want to spend my lifetime with. Oo, malayo pa ang pagdadaanan natin, but I promise, ikaw ang simula, gitna, at dulo ng lahat ng kita. I promise to love you for who you are today and who you will become tomorrow. You are my simula, gitna, and dulo. Mahal kita, ngayon, bukas, at magpakailanman.